Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. As you guys see today, Nifty did not give us an opportunity. Okay, it immediately in the morning it fell and it started going sideways, and then it broke this low. I was about to enter after it broke this low. The only reason I did not enter is because this zone is considered as a volatile zone for me, and that is the only reason I did not enter it. So tomorrow my actions will be shown here. So if I get a price of 21530 and below, okay, if it starts trading, I'll be definitely looking forward to sell it. And my first target will be sorry, just a minute. And my first target will be 21445, and the second target will be 21300. Okay, so these are the targets I'm looking forward to. And the day after is a budget, so please be cautious if you're trading, because market can go volatile, very volatile, so be careful with that. Just a minute. Yeah, why do I have this Nifty crossing? I don't know why I have okay, delete it. Yes, okay, great. So let's delete it. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also the same thing. It did not give me an entry, so I did not enter. This is a very, as we expected, a volatile market in Bank Nifty. That's what happened today. It started becoming very volatile today, and it was in the same place. It did not move up or down. So if in this kind of, after this move, we can definitely expect a move up or down, depending on the market's emotion. Okay, so basically near to the budget time or on the budget day, market doesn't drive on price action. It drives only on emotion. So depending on the results and everything, market will view up and down, move up and down. Okay, so what am I going to do tomorrow is I'm going to wait and see. Mostly patterns and all won't work on this time, so we are going to wait and watch. If it breaches anywhere below this level, that is 45,000 45,230 and below, I will be definitely looking forward to sell it, and I'll be buying only post 45,675. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next is US oil. US oil, we have entered this. The only reason behind me entering this trade is in 1 hour time frame and in 4 hour time frame. This is a very good support area. Okay, market has taken support here many times and has gone up. Now again, this is not a, this red candle is not a strong bearish candle, and if you see it in 1 hour, this is a very good bullish candle. And in 15 minutes time frame, I've entered it. So I've entered here my stop loss of 30 points in this trade. Simply because below this I'll be looking forward to sell. That is the only reason. So if it breaches this trend line, we can definitely look forward for a target of $79.24. Okay, so this is for US oil. Next is gold. Gold gave us a lot of SLs. Here we had an SL, here we had an SL, here again, and here we did not have an SL. Here we entered, and this is my stop loss. So I've entered here. 50% of this candle was where my stop loss is. Almost it got touched, but now I'm sitting at 1:3, which is really good. So I'm holding this. So I'm trailing my stop losses in this. So I don't have any plans of buying any gold as of now. I'm just gonna hold this trade and carry forward this and trail my stop losses. But I will have a small thought of buying it only post 2038. Okay, after that I'll be definitely buying a small quantity of gold. And we have three stocks for swing trading. Sorry, first is USK. USK is a stock which we've already traded. We traded it around 39, 38 rupees something. Now it's at 50. So this is a very good price pattern. So this price profit booking has come. If you see it in 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, it has taken a good support here. Tomorrow, if it survives the same price, I'll be looking forward to buy. Or if it comes any further down also, definitely I'll be looking forward to buy. But this is on an uptrend. Okay, until unless few swings are not broken, we cannot consider this as a downtrend. So if I get a price of somewhere at 49 to 50, I will be buying it and I'll be holding it. Okay, and next is Ganesh. Ganesh on a daily time frame. This we traded already. It's the same stock. So now if you see, after I think 327 days, it has given a breakout. So I'm expecting a profit booking tomorrow. Once I see a profit booking, I'll be looking forward to buy it. Okay, I want to see one or two one red candle on a daily time frame. Only after that I'll be looking forward to buy this, but this is on my watch list. Okay, next one is Bajaj. Bajaj Hindustan. So it is in an uptrend, so it has taken support thrice from this trend line. So we can definitely look forward for this price to go up and then move down. If it crosses, if it survives at 30 rupees to 32 rupees, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 29 rupees. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information and some tips. So this is just my view on the market, how I'm gonna trade it. This is not a call. Okay, so this is my idea of trading for tomorrow's market. So thank you so much. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.